Hi, Thrive community. Kurt Warner here. Today, I have the pleasure of speaking with Rob Lemontang, who many of you know from his posts, his sharing of his wisdom and knowledge on many of our sessions that we do every Wednesday and Saturday. So today, I wanted to have Rob on to tell you a little bit more about his background as an investor, how he got his start, and why he is known as the most creative real estate investor we know. So, Rob, thank you for taking the time this afternoon. And can you tell us a little bit about your journey as a real estate investor?
Oh, thanks for having me on the show, Kurt. Very much enjoy it. Um, yeah, I never intended to be a real estate investor. I was a computer consultant and everything was going great until 2008. I was 47 years old and well on my way to Freedom 55. Um, but then any of us who are my age remember the stock market meltdown
Mhm.
and really the worldwide collapse of the economic markets in 2008. Um, Being a computer consultant, being self-employed, had no pension. So my savings were my pension. Um, so I needed a new plan. Um, and I had to figure out what to do. So one day on the radio, I heard about this free 1 hour session to go and learn about how to buy real estate with other people's money. And I went to that session. Uh, and I liked it enough that I actually signed up for a core group of courses. Uh, Signed up for creative financing, signed up for evaluating multifamily properties, buy, rent, and holds, signed up for property management, and signed up for estate planning and asset protection. So I started back in 2010 taking those courses, and that kind of launched me into believing that yes, I could do this. This is something that I could turn around and do this as a retirement type of career and move from my full-time job to real estate investment.
So, quick question for those that don't know, and why all of us call you the most creative real estate investor we know. Obviously, over the years, you've done several different deals, not only in Canada but also in the U.S. And how much of your own money have you put into real estate?
None. Everything that I've done has been 100% financed using other people's money.
Okay, awesome. And so, because of that, Thrive community, we'll actually have Rob on Thursday, January 26th at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to actually share more about creative financing. And I believe, Rob, you'll be able to actually provide a case study and show people how it is you structure such creative deals.
Yeah, we'll be able to look at an example, one of the examples that we'll have in the course, um, and talk a little bit about the thought process that goes into structuring a deal. Um, Creative financing is really about solving somebody's problem. Creative financing is a way of looking at a deal in such a way that you're going to get what you need out of the deal, but you're also solving the problem of your vendor because every vendor has a problem. They wouldn't be selling the property if they didn't have a problem. So we have to look at what the vendor needs to get out of the deal, and then once we know that, we can look at a structure for a deal that meets the vendor's needs as well as our needs.
Awesome. And will you be in Ecuador at the time when you do this on the 26th?
Not on the on the 26th. Yes, we will be in Ecuador. Um, we leave
Okay.
for Ecuador on the 22nd.
Okay, awesome. And just so everybody knows, because I know that you've shared that you do spend quite a bit of time over the winter in Ecuador. And is that property also included as part of a creative deal that you did?
Oh, absolutely. We bought the property in Ecuador in 2012,
Hmm.
and I bought it with a private loan here in Canada. Um, so I financed it 100% with that private loan, a 7-year loan at 5%.
So you have a vacation property that you put no money into that you get to enjoy every winter.
That's correct. And part of the whole plan with it is that it would be paid for in 2019, just before I retired from the day job in 2020.
I'm jealous.
Hey, anybody can do it.
Absolutely. And I'll be there as well. So looking forward to it. And again, Thrive Community, make sure you click on the link below to register for January 26th, 8 p.m. Creative Finance with Rob Lemontang, and do not miss it. Again, looking forward to having Rob on and sharing more with you guys. And we'll see you.